Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter number 17, United Nations. So, what is United Nations? I have to explain to you in very simple terms. Just imagine you are fighting with your siblings. If you are fighting, who comes for rescue? It's generally your mother, right? So, your mother comes and explains why shouldn't you fight. Well, United Nations is doing exact same thing on global scale. They try to prevent war and spread peace into nations. In post World War II years, people realized that it was useless to have wars. They looked for peace. To meet this goal, the United Nations was established in 1945. So in this chapter we will study about the formation, aims and principles of the United Nations. Wars and battles do not good to any country or people. In wars, innocent people are killed. Children become orphans, crops, houses, offices, industries, bridges, roads, etc. are destroyed. In modern times, the world has seen two big wars among the European nations. The first in 1914, which is called the First World War, and the second in 1939, which is called the Second World War. When World War I ended, a peacekeeping body was established to prevent any future world wars. This body was called the League of Nations. Its aim was to maintain world peace. However, the outbreak of the World War II reflected the failure of the League of Nations in achieving its main objective. There started a discussion on the establishment of another international organization with stricter rules and regulations. As a result, the United Nations was formed on 24th October 1945, which is celebrated as the United Nations Day every year. The institution aims to promote peace and cooperation among nations across the world. Student, you have to read this topic from your book. So listen and watch this video carefully. Thank you.